You can get a new website from Gradelink in just 3 easy steps. First, choose a template from the library. The template defines the layout of your new website. Gradelink will move all the content from your old website to the new one. This includes your school's colors, written content, images, forms, and downloadable PDFs. Gradelink will send you a live prototype of your new website, which you can view on your phone and laptop. During this stage, we will work with you to make minor changes to the text and images, and also changes to layout, such as reordering sections, flipping sections, or removing sections. I promise you, you are going to love your new website. After all the revisions are complete, we will publish your website for the world to see. At this point, you may have a few questions. Will we be able to edit our website? Yes, you will be able to make changes to every part of your website, including the text, images, and design. We'll even set you up with a free training session. Does the website come with ongoing support? Yes, your maintenance package includes 1 hour of dedicated support per month. Will my current site go down while the new website is being created? No, your current site will not go down. It will stay online while we build your new website in a prototype environment. Once the new website is ready to launch, we will replace the old website with your new one. Can we keep our current website address? Yes, you can keep your current website address. During the design phase, your new website will be put on a temporary website address. Once the new website is ready to launch, we will change the name server records to make your new website replace the old one. There are 4 pricing plans to choose from. The pricing plans allow you to choose how fast you want to go live, the number of revisions you get, and the level of customization you want. The premium package allows you to build the website of your dreams. You don't need to start with a template. Your website will be built completely custom from the ground up. In addition, Gradelink will perform the search engine optimization checks for you. You will have unlimited revisions, and the site will be ready in 4 to 6 weeks. The Quick Start package is an economic option, but still provides a high degree of customization. You will start by picking a template. Gradelink will customize the template with your branding, colors, written content, and images. In addition, Gradelink will perform the search engine optimization checks for you. You will have unlimited revisions, and the site will be ready in 2 to 3 weeks. The starter package is an economic option, yet still includes the same degree of customization as the Quick Start. You will start by picking a template. Gradelink will customize the template with your branding, colors, written content, and images. However, unlike the Quick Start, you will need to perform your own search engine optimization. You're limited to 3 rounds of revisions with 10 revisions in each round, and the site will be ready in 8 to 10 weeks. The Micro School package is the most economic package and is designed for schools with 25 or fewer students. You are limited to the Micro School template, and Gradelink will customize the template with your branding, colors, written content, and images. Just like the starter package, you will need to perform your own search engine optimization. You're limited to 3 rounds of revisions with 10 revisions in each round, and the site will be ready in 1 to 2 weeks. All the plans include a number of features such as pop-ups and inquiry forms. In addition, you get support, training, and hosting. If you're ready to generate more inquiries using your website, simply reach out to us to get started. We will collaborate with you and bring your new website to life.